Hey everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports. This 2005 Suzuki Boulevard 800 with 24,904 miles passes New Hampshire State inspection and runs well. It's been upgraded with a Lehman TRIKE kit, a Wolo horn, aftermarket exhaust, and aftermarket grips. Reminiscent of classic cruisers, the Boulevard stands out in a crowded metric cruiser class with contemporary power and reliability. Powered by an 805cc V-twin engine, the Boulevard puts 45 horsepower and 47 foot-pounds of torque through a 5-speed transmission. In stock form, it weighs in at 644 pounds and has a 27.6-inch seat height. To see everything we know about this vehicle, including full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports, the service repair order, high-resolution photos, and more, please visit the listing on our website. We have also purchased the CycleCheck's Vehicle History Report. You can view this report by clicking the link on the right side of the video.